Today we're diving into something dark, something most people refuse to think about. Why do ordinary people, people who walk down the street just like you and me, sometimes commit acts so cruel, so monstrous that they seem impossible to imagine? Not psychopaths, not monsters, just humans. And when you see the evidence, you'll realize it's more terrifying than any ghost story. Take history. During World War II, doctors at Auschwitz, not deranged loners but trained professionals, performed experiments on prisoners. They dissected bodies, tested extreme temperatures, and injected lethal diseases. People who, on paper, were normal human beings doing things that should have been unthinkable. They claimed obedience, duty, or science as justification. Serial killers like Ted Bundy or John Wayne Gacy appeared normal in society. Charming, well liked, married, smiled, worked, and socialized, all while committing horrors hidden from public view. The duality is chilling. Normality and monstrosity can coexist in the same body. Psychology has studied this. In the 1960s, Stanley Milgram conducted his obedience experiments. Participants were told to administer shocks to someone else. The shocks weren't real, but they believed they were. Over 60% kept delivering potentially lethal shocks, simply because an authority figure told them to. Ordinary people just following instructions. Then there's the Stanford prison experiment. The students randomly assigned as guards began abusing prisoners in days. Their moral compass didn't vanish magically, it bent under authority and context. These experiments show a terrifying truth. Under certain pressures, normal humans can do terrible things. Several psychological mechanisms explain how this happens. Obedience to authority. People follow orders even when it conflicts with conscience. Moral disengagement. Convincing yourself that rules don't apply here or that victims deserve it. Dehumanization. Viewing a person as an object, a number, or a target. Conformity and group pressure. Joining in because everyone else is doing it. Desensitization. Exposure to cruelty dulls empathy. Repeated exposure makes horrible acts feel normal. Combine these and the seemingly impossible becomes possible. Ordinary humans can commit atrocities without ever losing the appearance of normalcy. Real life examples include Auschwitz doctors, professionals turning science into terror, Ted Bundy and John Wayne Gacy, charming neighbors by day, killers by night, ordinary citizens in historical atrocities, people who followed orders in genocides, purges, or mass killings. Even in everyday life, bullying, hazing, mob violence, online harassment. The same mechanisms operate at a smaller scale. Obedience, dehumanization, and group pressure can twist morality subtly, but no less effectively. This isn't just a history lesson, it's a warning. Thinking I would never do that is comfortable, but it's often false. Humans are malleable. Our environment, social pressure, and authority can shape behavior in ways we don't notice. The horrifying part, the line between normal and monstrous is thinner than you think, and it exists in all of us. Understanding this isn't about fear, it's about vigilance, about questioning authority, noticing when empathy slips, and recognizing the subtle pressures that can twist morality. Because awareness may be the only thing keeping ordinary people from doing the unthinkable.